Good morning, madam. Myself, Harish. I am from Kakinada and I have completed my diploma in 2017 with specialization in electrical electronics. And I am a skilled CNC operator with an experience of 3 years in the companies like Nasco, Indian Private Limited, Aptech Special, and Epic Dyson Molds in Visakhapatnam. And I have a strong background in CNC programming and operating with ensuring the precious and quality in the production. And I am detail oriented and committed to maintain safety and efficiency on the shop floor, and I am excited about the opportunity to bring my skills in your company. Thank you, madam.
Harish, I am applying for the job of CNC operator. I'll show you how my work is done. This is CNC milling machine. I'll show you how it works. This is the jar. It on. It takes 2 minutes 25 seconds to complete our work. Before and after. Before and after. I can do milling also. It shows how it goes. Actually, it was already programmed, so presently I am doing turning CNC operating. I will do milling also. Thank you.